Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete uploaded photos or videos to keep your workspace clean and organized. Now, let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to delete your uploads, all we have to do is click on Projects. Once we're here, we just need to click on Uploads. As you can see here, these are your uploads. Now, here are your uploads. To delete something, simply check the items you want. Select the photos or videos you want to delete. Just highlight them. Once you're done highlighting, all you need to do is click Move to Trash. Now, once it's moved to trash, it will be deleted from your Canva uploads. You can also delete them by clicking on the three dots, and here you will see the Move to Trash option. That's how we delete uploaded photos or videos on Canva. Keeping your files organized makes designing so much easier.